Nobody is talking about this, but they should be. Anthropic's Claude Remote Control. Anthropic just launched a feature that quietly changed everything. It is called Claude Remote Control, and it may have just made one of the most viral AI tools of 2026 completely unnecessary. That tool is OpenClaw. Earlier this year, OpenClaw exploded on GitHub. It crossed 247,000 stars in just a few months. Developers went crazy over it because it did something nobody else was doing. It let you control AI from your phone, through WhatsApp, through Telegram, through Discord. You could start a task on your laptop and manage it from anywhere. It felt like having a personal AI employee working for you around the clock. But there was a dark side to OpenClaw. Security researchers discovered that 20% of its community plugins contained malicious code. Palo Alto Networks flagged it as one of the biggest insider threats of 2026. Even the developers themselves warned that it was too risky for everyday users. And then, the creator suddenly left the project and joined OpenAI. The community was left with no clear leader and a serious trust problem. That is exactly when Anthropic made their move. On February 25th, 2026, Claude Remote Control went live. The concept is simple and powerful. Start your Claude session on your laptop. Walk away from your desk. Pick it up from your phone right where you left off. No complex setup, no port forwarding, no third-party apps. Just type #remote control in your terminal. Scan the QR code with your Claude mobile app, and your session is live on your phone instantly. Your laptop, your browser, and your phone all stay in sync, in real time. And here is the biggest difference between Claude Remote Control and OpenClaw. Everything runs locally on your machine. Nothing is pushed to the cloud without your control. Security is not an afterthought. It is built into the foundation. This is exactly what OpenClaw got wrong, and exactly what Claude gets right. Now let's talk about the scale behind this. Claude Code recently crossed a $2.5 billion annualized run rate. It now has 29 million daily installs inside Visual Studio Code. This is not just an update. This is Claude's ChatGPT moment. And remote control is the feature that could define this new era. So is OpenClaw completely dead? Not yet. It still connects to WhatsApp and Telegram in ways Claude doesn't. But for any developer who wants a native, secure, and seamless mobile AI experience, Claude Remote Control is the clear winner. Anthropic is no longer just building a chatbot. They are building a complete AI operating system for how you work, move, and think. And with remote control, that operating system just followed you to your phone. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, share it with a developer friend, and subscribe to AI Partner Story. We bring you the AI updates that actually matter before everyone else starts talking about them. See you in the next one.